Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is time again to build Audi. It's 3.2 VR6 Audi swap episode 7, and today we are building downpipes. We have here plenty of space to build them, and let's see how they will came out. And before we start building, if you like my videos, my projects, then comment what you think, like, subscribe. It all means a lot to me as a content creator, and I can make better videos for you. So thank you. Now let's start making downpipes. So let's see where we need to make them. Okay, so manifolds are already bolted, old gaskets are on, and now we need to make downpipes here. I think here is a lot of space, but there are not so much space. Plan is to make here use 2-inch tube, and down the car I will use 3-inch pipe, because when I make a turbo swap, then I don't need to change exhaust anymore. I make only new downpipe and it's all good. I have some parts on table, so let's see. Here are the original downpipes, what you see in my intro clip. I am cutting them. I need to cut them again, but I can use here some angle. And here I have 2-inch stainless steel, 3-inch 90-degree elbow, 3-inch flex pipe, and 3-inch white bands. Here I have pie cuts. These are, I did not cut them, I did buy them. They are cheap, I think, so it's easier to buy them. And one 90-degree bend I need. Let's see how these downpipes look on car and why I need to cut them. Okay, downpipe pipes on place. So first one will go to engine mount, so I need to cut here. And the second one is quite good, but I want to make there some bends, so it's almost same length that this longer one will be. But I don't know how it will came out. So the idea is something like Volkswagen Touareg and Porsche Cayenne uses, but they have catalysts there. So okay, let's find angle grinder and let's start cutting.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what. Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
Made this custom Y-pipe. Here's 2 inlets, 2-inch, and 1 outlet, 3-inch pipe. And yeah, so also made some pie cuts, and let's fit it in place and add some tube. So downpipes are done. I MIG welded because this car will get turbo anyway, and then I make nice and TIG welded downpipe and manifold and so on. So I was thinking I don't waste too much time to making these downpipes. And yeah, I hope you did enjoy this video. Right now I don't know what I do in next video. I need to think, because it's time to take engine out, I think, to paint the engine bay and some other work. But I will think it out and you will see it in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye!